Hey guys, so we have a new summer clothes collection.
Summer collection.
Yeah, let's see what we got. Are you gonna show them, Lexi? Alright, then let's check it out.
We have that.
Ooh, what you got?
We need my shorts.
Oh yeah, it's in there. It's in there inside. First we have what you got?
We have
Kitty outfit. So these are all two-piece outfit, guys. So Lexi likes kitty cat, so we have this one.
So I like kitty bear.
You like kitty cat, right?
I like kitty cat.
That's right. Okay. Next outfit, let's show them what we got. Okay, so guys, let's show you guys what we have first, then we can try them on later. Okay, next we have what do we have? Let me see. Okay, next outfit, guys, we have the Flamingo outfit.
He's so cute, Mommy.
That's right.
He loves me.
She is so cute.
He's Mommy.
She's mommy.
And he's Daddy.
She's daddy. Alright, next outfit. Select the flamingo. Alright, you want me to get it? Next outfit, we have the blue outfit. Two-piece outfit as well. With the hearts and diamonds.
Look at that,
Details.
Look at my shorts.
Yeah. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue and white. And it has the heart and...
It's white.
Yeah. What shape do you have? You got heart, right?
Heart.
What else? What shape?
I didn't know.
You got one more shape. Diamond.
Diamond.
That's right. Okay, next outfit. What we have? You show them. What do we have? Whoa, that is super cute.
Let me show you.
Okay. Look, guys, what we have. Just hold it up. They can see it. Hold it up. Look what we got, guys. What is this?
I didn't know.
We have
Apple.
pineapple.
That is so good, Mommy.
Yeah, tastes so good.
So
Oh, wow. Next, what do we have? Next, we have the
good.
rainbow two-piece outfit. It's a tutu skirt. Very nice. Very colorful. It's the rainbow. Okay. Last one, we have we actually have shown this in the spring collection, but we cannot try to just put it in the summer collection. So it's like the rainbow as well, right, baby?
Yeah.
Different color. Okay, so are we ready to try them on? Alright, we're ready to try them on?
Yeah.
Alright, which one do you want to try first?
Rainbow.
Alright, go and get it.
Let's go in rainbow shoes.
Try it on. You want to try it with the rainbow shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, although it's a little too. Guys, our first outfit.
Wow.
Lexi wants to try the rainbow first.
Wow.
Wow, Lexi, you look really nice. I like that.
Actually, it's free, so it's called Mommy.
You like it, baby? Looks pretty, baby. You like it? Okay, now you want to try it on with the shoes? Rainbow shoes? Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at Lexi, guys. Looks super nice. Okay, you stand up straight. Give him a little pose.
I want
Here you go, guys. Look at Lexi.
my toy.
Wow, look at Lexi, guys. How do you look, guys? How do you like it, guys? So pretty. Wow. Turn around a little bit. Turn around a little. Wow, looks so pretty. And of course, she have the matching rainbow shoes. Right, Lexi?
So I'm Arena.
You're a ballerina.
So I'm Rainbow.
Rainbow. And look at the rainbow shoes. Let me see. Wow, look at that, guys. We have the rainbow shoes in our last unboxing. That's it. Which one do you want to do next, baby? Pineapple? Okay,
That is
next.
so good.
Alright.
Matching.
Okay, next outfit. Pineapple. Alright, let's go get it. Let's try it on. Next outfit, guys, is the pineapple set. Look at that, guys.
Look at from the beach, Mommy.
You're going on the beach. Alright, go back to the front. You stand up so we can see better.
We need more, Mommy.
Okay. Here, come. Show them. So that's what it looks
Almost
like.
tied.
Wow, that's the pineapple set.
Meow, meow. So I want
Our
that.
next outfit, that one. So guys, here's the pineapple. Let me show you again with the matching shoes with the yellow.
A pink
And
giant.
they tell with a different color,
A
but with the
pink
yellow.
giant. On tight.
Wow. Okay, that's it. Next outfit. Next,
Bingo.
flamingo. Okay. So here is our flamingo outfit.
I want
White.
one.
White shoes. Okay, let me show you. So this is the flamingo, guys. Woo! Very nice. Woo! Nice. Give me a little pose. There you go, guys.
I want one nice.
Oh, nice. Turn around. Turn around for a second. This is the flamingo outfit, guys. So all of this outfit is two-piece outfit. Just let them.
Wait, I want.
You want the kitty next? You want the kitty next? Huh? Look in here. Look in there. Smile. Look at Lexi, guys. So cute. Alright, next outfit. What do you want? Alright, next outfit, kitty cat. Alright, go get it. Alright, next, kitty. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it with the kitty cat headband. You ready? Alright, let's try it out. Here is the kitty cat outfit, guys. Oh, headband, baby. We need to put the headband, the kitty cat matching headband. Right, baby? Look at that, guys, with the matching headband. You want shoes? Shoes? Okay. Shoes with that? This
I
one.
want that.
This one.
That.
This one will fit on to match with your outfit. Look, Lexi, guys. Kitty cat outfit. Two-piece kitty cat outfit. And with the matching headband, guys.
Look at that.
This is the kitty cat outfit, guys, and with the matching shoes. That's the shoes. So match with her outfit. Because Lexi have a lot of shoes, so she can
Dad,
pick
Mommy.
matching shoes and
Dad,
outfit.
Mommy.
Nice. Alright, that's it. So next outfit, the white one. We gotta try the white one. Outfit, guys, is the blue outfit. Alright, all ready? Alright, let's try it on. Alright, let's try it on. Okay, let's try. So this is the blue outfit, guys. Wow, looks good on you, Lexi. So pretty. Wow, super nice.
Look at that, my waist.
Yeah. Do you want the shoes with that? The white shoes?
My shoes.
Okay, let's try with the white shoes. This is what it looks like, guys. Lexi wants to wear it with outfit, guys. Looks nice. Can you stand up a second, Lexi, so we can see better? So this is it, guys. This is the outfit, guys. Looks pretty good. You want it with a headband? This is the blue outfit. Blue and white outfit, guys. Looks
Look
nice.
at that, Mommy.
Looks nice, baby. Good job. Wow. Alright, that's it. We have the last outfit. You want to try this one? Alright. Want to try this? Alright, last outfit. Let's try it on. Alright, you ready? You still like that? Okay. I like your matching headband with that. You ready with the last outfit? You ready with the last outfit, baby? Alright, let's try it. And the last outfit, guys. Look at that, guys. How does that look? And look at the matching headband. It's perfect.
Look, Mommy.
Oh, nice shoes too. It matched with your shoes and your headband. Very nice. Can I see at the back real quick? I'm gonna turn around a little bit. Just then. Oh, looks nice, Lexi. That's very pretty. Wow. Awesome. That's it. That's the last outfit, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.
Look, mommy.
You like it?
Look at that. Look at that.
Very pretty. I like it.
Look at that, mommy.
Very pretty, baby.
And
Is that your favorite?
look. Yeah.
Wow. Nice. All right.
So I'm a Columbia.
Columbia. See, Lexi hanger.
Let's see hanger.
We miss Columbia.
Columbia.
Alright, so that's our last outfit, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Guys,
Tell them thank you for watching.
you're watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.
Columbia.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I really like your outfit, Lexi. Very nice. Bye, guys.